What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind.
Ang sarap ng buhay ko.
Passenger Princess CR.
Yeah. For the first time.
Kompleto na tulog niya.
Well, nandito kami ngayon sa punta kaming Tanay Rizal, Cielo Alto. So, she's the driver and I'm the passenger. At ang bagong-bagong ano yan, ang sarap pala ng feelings. Ang sarap ng feeling ng nakaupo ka lang, naka-recline. Oh, ang sarap.
Question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. One day I'll be yours again.
Alright guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Cielo Alto. Well, the room that we've got is cabin for 2. So, ito siya. Meron na rito. Ayan, here, say hi. Ano masasabi mo sa place?
Sobrang lamig, sobrang relaxing. Grabe dito, guys. Awkward. Sobrang lamig, di na kailangan ng aircon or electric fan. Wala na siyang aircon, electric fan lang meron. Pero feeling ko, hindi na din namin kailangan niya electric fan kasi sobrang lamig. Kasi sa loob humahangin.
Okay. Sea of clouds. Time check. Babe, anong oras na?
3:13.
2:30?
3.
3:30. Time check. 3:30. Andito kami ngayon sa labas. Ito yung view na makikita mo. Mas maganda siguro kung hindi lang fully book yung anong regular
Cabin.
regular cabin. Ayun yung view niya. Ganda. Yan ay veranda siya. Okay, so first thing to do is we're going to eat. In order mo, B? Bakit ko sila nandi-discriminate? Walang spaghetti.
Seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as
So, the food is okay. Pero,
Ito lang.
for the price,
Yeah.
it's not worth it. So, actually, mamayang gabi, gusto ko sana mag-dinner. Gusto namin mag-dinner palabas.
Try namin sa labas.
Pero, gusto mo may ganito.
Live.
May one?
Well, let's see. Hanggang 9 naman.
So yun nga, hindi namin talaga, hindi siya yung food. I would say 1 to 5, 3.
3.
Yeah.
But the price is 5.
I believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours.
Saan tayo ngayon?
Nandito kami sa Midoriyama Ramen kasi nagpapalala ako ng ramen dahil sa malamig na panahon at wala rin ako masyado mawaya dahil bagong ano ako ay bagong bulos kaya higop-higop muna tayo ay at di rin masarap masyado yung food doon hindi namin nagustuhan eh marami namang option sa labas so try na lang namin.
Ini po ang wifi.
Doon lang daw sa dati may wifi. Tapos disclaimer pa nung attendant. Pero mahina rin po yung wifi dito, ma'am. Alam mo, hindi ko gusto service nila.
Ha?
Hindi ko gusto yung service nila. Kasi unang-una, kailangan full payment agad. Kailangan full payment agad upon reservation. Pag hindi full payment, hindi ka mag-reserve. Tapos, non-refundable. Kahit kung any reason, typhoon, namatayan ka ng family member, kahit ano pang reason, bawal mo i-refund or ipamove. Kung ipapamove mo, ipaparebook mo, hindi pwede. Pero, transferable. So, parang ang strict, no? Parang masyado silang, so, sinecure ka agad nila yung bayan.
Oo.
Diba? Parang wala ka nang kawala. Pag nag-full payment ka na, pumunta ka o hindi, wala kaming pakialam sa'yo. Kasi nagbayad ka na, okay na kami. Ganun. Pero maganda yung place. Yun lang masasabi ko, maganda yung place.
How's the ramen?
Sarap kasi yung ulan. Perfect. Ang sakto lang.
Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I seek what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed.
So, we're packing up. Gutom na. Isang to. And, saan ba tayo kakain?
Ganda ba doon sa Cafe Catalina?
It's good naman.
Ano ba mapagkaan?
Ang masa.
May kape.
May kape.
Hindi okay na yun.
So, yun. Cafe Catarina. Ang bigat pala na tayo pa.
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi pang ano kasi to, stabilize.
Oo.
So, yan. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. And see you on the next gala.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one
Ang nais ko'y lagi ka piling ko. Alam mo ba ang tanging kaya ko? Sa tuwing ay naaalala ko, sa pangarap laging kasama ka. Bawang alaala sa aking pag-iisa.